These are not Thunderblades, but they are still an electric skate. These are the Atmos Gear collab that we're doing. They sent us their very nice skates. I'm just holding the base of it, just so you guys can see them. And I am here as a guest to talk about the other thing that they sent us, which is their apparel. My name is Cori, and welcome to Cori's Corner, where I don't talk about skates. I'm here to talk about the other things, like clothes and quality and aesthetics and things like that. Great, great. Nice to meet you guys. I'm not gonna lie. These are so shiny and so beautiful, and I am so enamored with the shine that they have and how awesome they look. I don't know anything about electric skates. I'm kind of learning a little bit now, but I just wanted to say that they were very nice. They also have this thing over here that I do not know what it's for. Right? Do you see that? It has something on it. It has like a honeycomb pattern thingy, and I think it's kind of cute. I think they're just like reflective. It's a nice kind of touch. They have like three different color palettes for everything that they name their teams. So you have the white sky, which is their white and blue. They have yellow thunder, which is their black and yellow, and the black knight, which is the purple one, which is, I'm not gonna lie, my favorite. You guys probably saw Daniel's video. If you didn't, you should go watch him unboxing it. He is a very much a Yellow Thunder kind of guy. I am not. I am a Black Knight all of the way. I love purple and I love everything, and I was in love with everything that they sent us. The purple color was so nice on everything. I think they're vinyl or something. I'm not sure actually. But these are gonna be very nice for me to put on my helmet or like a water bottle or something. They are very nice quality. They also sent this. Is it this size? Yes, this is the size. I'm so sorry. To me, this makes sense because it kind of looks like a heart. But it's like this. This is their logo. This is their logo with Atmos Gear. And it's also, it's not the same material as this one. This one's a vinyl. This one is more like a shiny thing. I think you guys can actually see. This is matte when it comes to apparel. Their caps, which they're so lovely. This is the sky one, the white sky team. It's like a suede maybe type of material, so they are kind of soft. If you are someone who runs a little bit hot, this could make you feel warmer. So it's a beautiful sky blue color. They have the Japanese and the French flags on the back. They have this buckle over here where they can like, if you need to unbuckle in case you need to put your ponytail through or something. And they are also adjustable. But I will say that all three, actually this one is very big on my head. It does not fit. You can see a little bit of it. It's very big. And it's like I pulled it as tight as it can go. If you have a tiny head, these are not for you maybe. This is the Thunder, Yellow Thunder one, which is kind of funny. I'm not gonna lie. Why not yellow? It's also that same suede type of fabric. It also has the Japan flag and the France flag, and it also says Atmos Rider on the back. You can see that it's also adjustable, so it has a nice little strap over here. And I like the other one that is like very big on my head. This one's a little bit better, but I still think it's a little bit big. But it looks nice. There's like a cat over here. There will be a cat here. This is Damien. That's Luna. Unlike the other one, this one it sits a bit better on my head. So this one is a little bit more Pea-Head friendly, if that makes any sense. And it's very nice. I really enjoy them, not gonna lie. This is the Knight, the Team Knight cap. It's the purple suede again. It has the Japan flag, the French flag, and Atmos rider on the back. And this one's also pulled to the tighter that I can put it. And this fits perfectly on me. I really enjoy it. I'm stealing this. I do not care. Like, these are gonna be mine. Like, I'm gonna wear this one. It looks very nice, doesn't it? So yeah, if you have a B-size hat, maybe consider that when you buy them. They don't have any indications of like size anywhere. I don't know if that was an accident or not. I'm just letting you know. The Sky one was the biggest for sure. It's pull tight and it does not fit me. It actually fits very well on Daniel. It looked very nice on him, but just letting you know, like, this is the biggest, that one's medium, and this is the smallest one. They don't have an official sizing. I don't think they did that on purpose, but it's something you can consider when you're buying hats. Other than the caps, they also sent us some eyewear, glasses, sunglasses type of things. You can see on the side they have like Atmos, and they're this very sportsy type of glasses. They're very straight on their legs, bents. I'm not sure. I understand that this is a necessity. I understand that this is a me being me thing, but this one's kind of bother me a little bit. And I'm sure I can just change them. I will probably change them if I'm ever gonna use this. But they bothered me a little bit and they don't fit my face very nicely. I will take off these glasses and put these glasses on. You see? Maybe they do. I don't know. I'm just not used to it. I'm not very fitness oriented. This is the Night. You see, it's very purple. They have like the purple details on the thing and inside also. They're very nice glasses. Either way, I haven't tested them outside yet. This is the Thunder one. Okay. So they don't have anything very much like going their way to show their thunder. I don't know. Inside it's red. They have some like red details, just like the purple details on the Night one. But I think the Night one has better, more showy details. If you want something a little bit more discreet, maybe this would be the one for you. And last but not least, I'm not gonna lie, these are my favorites. These are the sky blue one. It's the blue glasses, and they have white, like the white armor, but it's like a polka dot. It's not polka dot, but like it's speckled with black. So it's a very cute, very, very different, I think. It's not gonna be everyone's cup of tea. I understand that. But they look nice, right? But I will keep on saying this inside part kind of bothered me a little bit. Maybe it's because the shape of my face and my nose, it gets me over here and it like presses a little bit. And because of the ridges that they are inside on these things, they bothered me a lot. But maybe if I get used to them, I wouldn't have this problem. And if you are used to like more sporty glasses, maybe you won't have this problem. Last but not least, they also sent us their jerseys. They are hockey style jerseys. And we have here the Night one. And I will say this is my favorite. Not just because it's purple, although I love purple, because of the details on the shirts. They have like the squiggly lines and kind of sparkles, and it's all throughout the shirt. And in the bottom, it's so beautiful. They have like this Atmos League thing on their arm. Like it was made for that. It's so beautiful and so nice. They really put so much thought into it, so it's really nice. And this one is so large. It is a bit oversized, and I'm not sure if that is the intention or if it just kind of happened like that. So if you are someone who likes things a little bit tighter, maybe go a size smaller. They have the logos and everything, and then they have like Black Knight over here. It says Atmos Gear on the front and Atmos Rider on the back. It also has a number 1, which I think is kind of cute. Not gonna lie. This is a very breathable kind of fabric and very stretchy also. You can see it. So I imagine that this would be good to like skate in. I'm not sure. I will say that this looks like it's a very nice to go to the gym with. So if you were looking maybe for some oversized gym apparel, this could be it. So this is the Black Knight one, my favorite one. This is mine. I am Team Black Knight, and I do not care. I know Daniel said that he's a Thunder one, whatever. Sure, he can have yellow if he wants. I'll keep myself with everything purple. Next up, we have this one that is the Thunder one. It's yellow and black. It is very nice also. I will say that this was a design that I wasn't very much sure when I saw it on the website, but it does look very nice in person. I thought it was gonna be a bit cartoony, and even though it is, it's not bad cartoony. I don't know how to explain that better, but it's very nice. They also have the Atmos Skate League thing on the sleeve, and I forgot to say that for the other one, but it does also have that. It has a King of the Road thing badge, not badge, but like printed on. They also have a female version of this, which says Queen of the Road. So if that is more your style. And last but not least, we have this white sky one. This is an XL, so this is an extra large. This is the only extra large that they sent us. And it is very nice and oversized. I wore this earlier, especially for like the other video, and it covered my whole body into like the mid of my thigh. So nice. It does kind of feel a little bit heavy of a material. So it does feel nice. I think that they are nice for loungewear too. So if you are a little bit on the bigger side, the XL it has a good difference for the large and the XL. And the last thing I want to talk about, even though it's not technically apparel, it is technically apparel. It's this, the fanny pack that came with the battery, right? Because of the way that the battery is set up on the Atmos Gear, you need to carry the battery somewhere. So they sent the battery in this very nice, very lovely, very well made fanny pack. And I was looking at it and I realized a bunch of nice things. First of all, this is reflective, very cool. They have like this detail, which is very, very fun with their logo. And over here, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it initially. They have a zipper that you can get and like get all of your batteries out through this way. So you don't have to like try to make it stretch through this zipper on the front, on the top. So nice, cool. Especially like if you're like leaving it to charge or something like that. So it has like a hole over here where the cables come out. But I was thinking that this fanny pack, it also seems very nice in case you need a fanny pack. I will say they do have like, it does have like some weird holes like this one. And then you see that it has something, has like a loop here where you can put anything, a carabiner here maybe to like hold something. Actually, let's be honest, maybe this is for something else and I'm not sure because I don't understand much about it. This is the other zipper that I was talking about, the one from the top. So also very nice quality, and the zipper does feel like it feels heavy. You know when you get something and it's just cheap, and it's like, oh, it's so light and so cheap, and why is it like that? This is not like this at all. It's a very good premium type of material. They have on the back right here a compartment. Oh. They have this compartment that is probably where you put the controller. It came with the charger, the cable. It's a micro USB, the old Android ones. That's what the controller has. And it has like the pouch, and the pouch is also lined. Oh my god. What is that material? Maybe it's, I don't know why is it lined like that. Oh my god. No, nah. Sorry. The inside of here is also lined, so it is a bit softer. I don't know why it's like that. It has repeat things, Velcro on to close it. But I believe that if you are like, I don't know, if you need to go out with your skates and you don't want to put like, and you don't want to carry a bag or something, you can technically put like money or your wallet here if it's not too big of a wallet. So this is cool. And I did see something else. Oh yeah, this thing. I was looking at this the first time I saw it. I was like, what the fuck is that? What is happening? Because I moved it so much, but this is where the stop and start thing is. So that is very nice. There is like a metal thing. And in the bottom, it also has a hole where the cables come out. On the strap here, you have like Atmos Gear all the way around. It's on the other side too. And on the adjustable straps, this was everything not skate related that they sent us. So it's all very nice. And I think that if you do go and look at their things, at their skates, you should also consider getting some apparel. They did give us a code, if I'm not wrong, it's Daniel40, which gives $40 off your order. Then I will probably put this around somewhere. Thank you, Atmos Gear, for all of the amazing clothes, apparel, stickers, skate, sunglasses that you guys sent us. And Daniel will probably see you for a next video talking about his first impressions of this very nice and very shiny pair of skates. So we'll see you guys later. Storm the streets or whatever he says.